Hey everybody, it's Petey here with the Santa Sells Houses team. I'm out walking my dad today on a big walk, getting some exercise and some fresh air. Hey everyone, we're walking around Fanshawe College campus today, checking out some of their energy efficient technology that they've put in the last couple of years. Got a pretty good little wind turbine and solar power going on there. So anyway, I wanted to bring you a quick update. So last week, as we know, Ontario extended their lockdown and introduced some new rules. And I've had several clients reach out to me over the weekend asking if this affects, how this affects the real estate market. Can we still go out and look at homes? Can I still list my home? Absolutely you can. Ever since this started a year ago, real estate was deemed essential in Ontario. So we're able to continue. We obviously, it's not business as usual. We have to be cautious. We have to pre-screen all our buyers and sellers and ourselves, make sure everyone's as healthy as possible before entering homes. We have to wear the proper PPE. So yes, absolutely. No children allowed at showings, maximum 2 buyers, 1 realtor. So typically only 3 people. No doubling up of showing time frames. So only 1 showing at a time. No open houses allowed. We can do virtual open houses. We recommend everybody start with the virtual tour videos and pictures that are available. So start there. If you choose that it's a home that you want to see, we can definitely schedule a viewing. And I've actually done 3 or 4 virtual showings on my camera, on my phone, in the last week as well, for people that are either not comfortable going in person or they live out of the area and still want to see the home. So a lot of options, and yes, it's still a busy market out there. That being said, the last 2-3 weeks we've seen a lot of new inventory, a lot of new listings hitting the market, which is great to help hopefully start balancing this out a little bit. We're seeing some homes that are getting to their requested offer date and not receiving any offers, or maybe only 1, which then changes their strategy, obviously. And then we're seeing other listings that are still getting 7 to 12 offers on them. So it's a little bit all over the place depending on how you price it and market it. So let's get into the numbers for last week. We saw 248 new listings come to market. We had 20 conditional sales, and we had 241 sold. So again, conditionals and solds still outpacing the new listings. However, those new listings are way up from what they were, call it a month, 2 months ago, where we're only seeing like 70 listings in a week. Now we're at 248. So we're still hoping to hit the high 200s, maybe even crest 300 a week at some point. So we'll wait and see if that happens. So still a booming market out there. Yeah, like I said, we're still able to do everything we could. We just have to be more cautious about it, obviously, and at everyone's comfort level. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to answer them for you and help you buy or sell a home. Say bye, Petey. Want to go for a walk? Let's go.